Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best camping chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors, whether it's for a weekend camping trip, a backyard barbecue, or a day at the park. And when it comes to comfort and durability, especially for those who need a little extra support, a heavy-duty camping chair with a 300 to 500 pounds capacity is an absolute game-changer, offering unparalleled stability and peace of mind so you can truly relax and enjoy your surroundings without worry. Number 5. Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our oversized camping chair. Its large seat and padded armrests provide supreme comfort for any outdoor adventure. Engineered with a robust steel frame, this chair offers exceptional stability and can support up to 450 pounds. Enjoy reliable comfort season after season. Stay refreshed with the built-in cooler bag and keep essentials close with the side storage pocket and cup holder. Everything you need is within reach. Setting up and packing away is a breeze. It folds down compactly and is lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere your adventures lead. Perfect for camping, the beach, your backyard, or even indoors, this chair offers supreme comfort wherever you choose to relax. What we like. This one offers a spacious and well-padded seat, ensuring maximum comfort during long outdoor sessions. With a robust 450 pounds weight capacity, it's built for durability and support. If you're looking for a chair that combines generous space with a convenient built-in cooler for your drinks, this is an excellent choice for camping or backyard relaxation. What people say. Chairs are as advertised. Very sturdy, comfortable, nice padding in chair, great size, portable, easy to fold, easy to carry. It comes with a great bag to hold chair in, has a great cup or bottle holder and a very nice cooler bag. The chair itself is very well made and comfortable. I like the added tiny cooler and bag. This one is really sturdy and nice and roomy, sets up easily as well. It is heavy to carry, but it is worth it to know it won't collapse on you. Number 4. ARROWHEAD Outdoor Club Folding Camping Chair. Enjoy the comfort of an indoor chair wherever you go. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor event. Keep your essentials close at hand. This chair features a built-in cup holder and a handy storage pouch for your phone or other small items. Built with a robust steel frame and durable 600D canvas, it's designed to last. It comfortably supports up to 330 pounds. No complicated assembly required. Simply take it out of the bag and unfold it for instant seating. It sets up in seconds. We're here to help you continue your adventures. ARROWHEAD Outdoor offers lifetime support from Atlanta, Georgia. What we like. This chair is designed for ultimate portability without sacrificing comfort, making it ideal for any outdoor event. Its solid construction supports up to 330 pounds, and the Lifetime USA support offers great peace of mind. If you prioritize a lightweight chair that's easy to carry and backed by reliable support, this is the one for your adventures. What people say. At 250 pounds, I'm right at the edge of breaking most camping chairs after a summer of use. This thing has stood up to 40 nights of camping this year without showing wear. It is so comfortable. He sits in it outside in lieu of our regular iron chairs and it shows no signs of damage. Large, cozy and comfy camp chair for cold weather events. Number 3. Guide Gear Oversized Rocking Camp Chair. Introducing the ultimate rocking camp chair, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just relaxing by the bonfire, this chair is your ideal companion. Experience unparalleled comfort with its oversized design. Crafted from heavy-duty 600 denier polyester fabric, it offers spacious seating for ultimate relaxation. Built to last, this chair features a robust, powder-coated tubular steel frame. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable support for years to come. Take your comfort anywhere. This chair folds flat effortlessly, making it incredibly portable and easy to transport to your favorite spots. Stay refreshed with the convenient built-in cup holder. Keep your favorite beverage within easy reach while you unwind. Customize your comfort with the adjustable pad. Use it as a headrest for ultimate relaxation or as a lumbar pad for extra support. What we like. Experience the unique comfort of a rocking chair wherever you go, with an impressive 500 pounds weight capacity. Its oversized design ensures plenty of room to relax. If you love the gentle motion of rocking and need a chair that can handle a substantial weight, this is perfect for your campsite or backyard gatherings. What people say. I'm 370 pounds and this rocker has been comfortable and sturdy, unlike the 2-0 gravity chaise lounges that fell apart from using the armrests to get up. With this chair I can sit up in just the seat part or lean back and relax, perfect. This chair is great. Well manufactured, sturdy, comfortable, can stand up to weather, dries quickly after a burst of rain, hand cup and phone holder, rocking is somewhat limited, does not have full range of a regular rocker. I am a plus-sized woman and I refuse to sit in the white folding chairs with the thin legs, or the ones that come in their own bag because falling to the ground is not an option. This chair is a godsend. It is extremely sturdy and the lumbar support is great. The cup holder and phone device slot is a nice touch because it is deep enough to securely sit your items in. Number 2. ARROWHEAD Outdoor Oversized XXL Camp Chair. Experience unparalleled relaxation with our oversized, plush padding and headrest. This extra-large chair offers a massive 600 pounds weight capacity, providing reliable support for everyone. Keep your beverages refreshingly cold with the integrated cooler pouch, perfect for storing up to 6 cans. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks on your adventures. Enjoy dedicated cup and wine glass holders to prevent spills. The handy armrest storage pouch keeps your essentials like your phone or sunscreen close by. It folds down compactly for easy transport and storage in the included carrying bag. This makes it ideal for all your outdoor activities. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable fabric, this chair is built to withstand the elements. Enjoy long-lasting enjoyment with USA-based support. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for those who need maximum support and convenience, boasting a massive 600 pounds capacity and an XXL size. It features a built-in cooler and even a wine glass holder for added luxury. If you're seeking the most robust and feature-rich chair for heavy-duty use and ultimate relaxation, this chair is designed for you. What people say. This chair is very sturdy and can hold up to 500 pounds. The wide seat and comfortable back support make this chair perfect for long camping trips. It comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker. Experience unparalleled comfort with our specially designed sling-style seat. It's perfect for relaxing outdoors all day long. Crafted with a durable, powder-coated steel frame, this chair is built to support you. It also features a convenient holder for your drinks and phone. Enjoy a smooth rocking motion on almost any surface thanks to our patented spring action rocking technology. It's ideal for camping, sports events, or just your lawn. Setting up is a breeze, and it folds up quickly for easy transport. Take it anywhere with the included carry bag. This chair is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry. It's designed for your convenience, wherever your adventures take you. We stand by our quality with a limited lifetime warranty. Relax with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. Enjoy a smooth rocking experience on almost any outdoor surface, thanks to its patented spring technology. While it supports up to 250 pounds, its compact fold makes it incredibly easy to transport. If you're looking for a portable rocking chair that offers comfort and convenience for events or casual outings, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The pod design is comfortable but not hot in the summer and the rocker function is smooth and enjoyable. This chair is wide, has armrests, has a place for my phone and for a drink. There is also a sun shade that can be flipped back when not in use. The legs terminate in 2 ski-like bases. This allows you to sit comfortably in sand or dirt without sinking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.